What's up, Facebook, YouTube, everybody that's looking, viewing, listening. Um, this is like the first video that I'm doing in a while. So I hope that you guys like it. I'm doing Wet the Bed by Chris Brown. I know it's kind of old, but you know, this is my first time hearing it. And I like this, so I'm gonna do it with no music. Oh, ooh, there we go. I just drank some water, so here we go. Oh, sorry. I ain't afraid to drown. If that means I'm deep up in your ocean, yeah. Girl, I drink you down. Sipping on your body all night. I just wanna take your legs and wrap them around. Girl, you're coming right now. My head to your chest, feeling your heartbeat, girl. Swimming all in your sea, and you're coming all over me. Bring it forward, don't you run. No, I don't want to be a minute man. Baby, you're just like a storm raining on me. Girl, you're soaking wet. Whoa, I'm gonna lick you right. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna lick all night. Yeah, yeah, girl, when I'm inside. Yeah, 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 girl, you heard what I said. I'm gonna make you wet the bed, bed, bed. I'm gonna make you wet the bed, bed, bed. I'm gonna make you wet the bed, bed, bed. I'm gonna wrap my legs around your head when I make you wet the bed. I kind of messed up on the words, but you know, y'all know how the song goes. So hopefully y'all liked it. Um, there will be another video I'm doing soon, so stay tuned. All right.